Hello there everyone, just passed another video on. What you're looking at is, well, this is Gmc by the way, what you're looking at is an AC actuator for the blend door going to the recirculate mode on my 94 6.5 diesel. And thought I'd pass on that I had to replace this very cramped area. See if I can pull it apart. I'll show you what happened here. If you look real close right here, the gear's off. And it would actually make like a coffee grinder. So we'll go over to the truck next and I'll show you how I changed it. So here we are over at the truck. As you can see, right there is the unit. If I can hold the light. Right there's one screw and then there's another screw all the way up in there. So what I did was, it takes a 7mm socket to get the two screws out, and then it's slotted up there. You can see right there where you fit that in, and then you kind of got to reach up in here to push the door up to line everything back up the way it should. And then I slotted the new one to just kind of fit it in at the same time to put it into the slot on this side, and then tighten both screws down with a ratchet, which was very, very cramped and tight here and congested. But now, if we I'll turn the key on here, as you can hear, there's no longer any weird noises coming from that area as we switch. It actually is turning nice now. You can hear it working. Turn the recirculator off and then it comes back. And it's actually working quite well. So, just thought I'd pass this video on. Turn the key back off here. Just thought I'd pass this video on. It's a very cramped place to work at. But a little bit of patience. Just a small amount of tools. I actually got the actuator on eBay, saved quite a bit of money by doing that. Pays the shop around. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I think I'll continue to use this as my saying, keep on wrenching.